Look, Elvis, I now know all types of adjectives.
No, Sia, you don't know them all. There is one more type of adjective that we haven't discussed yet.
Oh, I'm so eager to know about it. Which is that adjective?
Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. For example, what color do you want to paint your house? In this sentence, what is an interrogative adjective used along with the noun color to ask a question. Let's see another example. Whose bag is this? Here, whose is an interrogative adjective used with the noun bag. Let's have a look at one more example. Which watch do you want to buy? In this sentence, which is an interrogative adjective used with the noun watch. Sia, can you tell more examples of interrogative adjectives?
Yes, why not? What pattern will you choose? Whose hat is this? Which is the tallest tower in the world?
Well done, Sia.
All thanks to you for sharing such useful information.
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.